Mo Abudu. She is widely regarded as one of the most influential figures in modern African media. As a producer, broadcaster, entrepreneur, and visionary executive, she has built an empire dedicated to telling African stories with depth, glamour, truth, and global relevance. As the founder of the EbonyLife Group, Mo has become an essential bridge between Nollywood and the international entertainment industry, helping African narratives travel far beyond the continent's borders. In 2013, she launched EbonyLife TV, Africa's first global black entertainment network. Mo's impact is most visible in her film and television productions, which have consistently set new standards in Nollywood. Her film debut as an executive producer came with 50, 2015, a drama centered on four powerful Nigerian women navigating life and love in Lagos. The film premiered at the BFI London Film Festival and solidified her reputation for premium African storytelling. After that came a string of major box office and streaming successes. EbonyLife co-produced The Wedding Party 2016, which became one of the highest-grossing Nigerian films at the time. Its sequel, The Wedding Party 2, Destination Dubai, broke further records. Her portfolio expanded with commercial hits like Chief Daddy, Your Excellency, and The Royal Hibiscus Hotel. Her work also extends to socially impactful storytelling. The Netflix hit Oloture explores the dangerous world of human trafficking through the eyes of an undercover journalist. The film reached international audiences, elevating global awareness around the issue. She followed this with the cinematic adaptation of Wole Soyinka's masterpiece, Eleshin Oba, The King's Horseman, a culturally rich film released as a Netflix global title. She also directed and wrote emotionally resonant pieces like Her Perfect Life and Iyawomi, both of which explore mental health, domestic pressures, and the human condition from deeply personal angles. In television, Mo has been responsible for several major African series including Desperate Housewives Africa, Sons of the Caliphate, The Governor, and the legal drama Castle and Castle. The groundbreaking Netflix limited series Blood Sisters further reinforced EbonyLife's ability to produce cinema-grade episodic content at international standards. Other titles like 50 the Series, Dowry, and Married to the Game helped solidify EbonyLife's footprint in serialized African storytelling. In the digital space, Mo has embraced global streaming as the future of distribution. Her productions are among the most viewed African titles on Netflix, and EbonyLife's digital platforms continue to expand, offering behind-the-scenes experiences and educational opportunities through the EbonyLife Creative Academy.